the pan.
Let it heat up.
So we're going to let it heat up?
We are going to let it heat up.
Okay. Here we have our coconut milk, or Callaloo.
No, dashi. Okay. First we have the coconut milk, the dasheen bush, and in this dish we have chopped pumpkin, chopped okra, seasoning pepper, chopped chives or scallion or chive, some onion, garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, some fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, which goes in afterwards. That's it. So I imagine it is all right. Yeah, so we're emptying out the pre-packed dasheen bush. Dasheen leaves cut up, yes. Now I add in the rest of the mixture. Yeah. The pumpkin, the okra, the garlic, the onion, the scallion, the seasoning pepper, the fresh thyme,
so we're on a medium heat.
I'll turn it down to low.
All right, she's just added the salt.
Okay. Oh, this is good coconut milk. Okay, let's take this. Just leave it to cook down now. Because, I think I have to turn this back up. Oh, man. Okay. I'm putting 1 scotch bonnet for flavor. That's it. Right.
And so how long are we going to leave this in now?
I don't know.
Estimating.
Till everything cooked down.
Okay.
20.
We've added a bit more coconut milk.
Yeah, 1 more packet.
So 400 mils in total. A bit more in it because of the water.
So we've added 2 of these.
Yes, this does not going to take the time.
That looks good already, Eve. Have a taste.
Okay, have a taste.
Tastes nice already.
There's the seasoning pepper. Yeah, it's a good one.
Okay.
It's smelling good though.
Definitely does.
Okay.
You ready? Okay, come and taste it.
You want me to tell you what I think?
And tell me what you think. Alright, here we are.
Okay. Look at that, guys. I taste the seasoning pepper. All of the flavor, them nice. All right, girl.
Then all the ingredients marinate.
All right, it is ready. We're just gonna let it cool down for blending. Guys, forgive us. We were on holiday, and so all we could find in our place was a mini blender. So we had to make do with what we had. Okay, there is the finished product. Trini's call this Callaloo. I would call this a Callaloo soup, but it looks very good. Look at the consistency. That is just what you're going for. I can't wait to dig in. There's my plate. I have a bit of macaroni pie, my Callaloo, my chicken, and a little piece of corn pie with some cucumber and tomato. Nice?
The callaloo is very nice. Very nice. I mean, I don't often drum on chocolate.
It is nice.
When you eat it with the macaroni pie,
Spot
and a
on.
piece of chicken,
Yeah.